Here's a 2017 Genesis G90. Enjoy the luxurious combination of contemporary classic design, helpful technology, and superior comfort. The automatic high beam assist, rain sensing wipers, driver attention alert, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection are like having a co-pilot always on duty. And heated and ventilated front leather seats with memory and 22-way power driver's seat including lumbar, shoulder, and bolster adjustment ensure your travels are more comfortable than you ever imagined. You'll also appreciate the extra flourishes of the Genesis logo approach lights, wireless device charging, forward view cornering camera, and smart cruise control with stop-start. With a thoughtful approach to beauty, intuition, and ability, this G90 can't help but impress. See it today.